were the chosen one! It was said that you would destroy this sin, not join them! Bring balance to the force, not leave it in darkness! I hate you! You were my brother, Anakin! I loved you!